What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. We're back at it with another pickup. Like I said on the previous video on those Flint 13s, that I have this other box, another pickup, and I kind of want to make its own video. I didn't want to open both of them up in the same video, but yeah, that's what we're here to do. I'm recording this in the same day, so that's why I'm wearing the same hoodie. Don't judge, but we're gonna open that white box that you guys saw. I teased you a little bit on the last video, and I'm actually pretty excited. The reason why I'm excited is because these shoes are considered grails to somebody. You know, I was lucky enough to get them for a good price. And they're finally here, and we're gonna take a look at them. This is, if I'm being honest, this is one of those shoes that I didn't even think I would own or I would have in my collection. But I just pulled the trigger, man. I said, fuck it, good price, and yeah, I just did it. Obviously, this is not the OG box. This is a replacement box. But yeah, I mean, I'm wearing the shoes, not the box at the end of the day, so I didn't really care. And yeah, man, I'm excited. This is my first time seeing this shoe in hand. I've never seen the shoe in person before, so I'm excited. I'm gonna open the box up. I'm gonna take a peek. We got some heat. All right, let me take them out the box, and then we'll take a look. So what we have, what we're adding to my collection today, ladies and gentlemen, is a shoe that I never thought I would get, just because of the high resale price on these bad boys. But today, ladies and gentlemen, I got them in my collection, and I'm actually happy to have these in the collection. Couldn't pass on these bad boys, and sheesh, that's all I gotta say, man. Hold up, before I show you guys, in the comments down below, write down what you think the shoe is. I'll give you a hint. This shoe was pretty much sneaker of the year last year. It was between these or the Travis Scott 1 highs. You know, go ahead, write down in the comments below, what do you guys think this shoe is. I'm gonna give you a couple seconds. I'm gonna wait. I'm still waiting. What do you guys think the shoe is? Write it down. I'm waiting for you. Write it down. I'm not gonna show you the shoe until you write it down. Did you write it down? Alright. Well, ladies and gentlemen, what we have right here is the off-white MCAs in that blue colorway. Bro, these shoes are fire. These are fire. God damn. It just kind of happened, you know. First of all, I want to give a quick shout out to Soul Steals, Soul Supremacy. If you guys don't know, Soul Steals is a membership website run by Soul Supremacy, and Soul Steals, what they do is pretty much every week, every Sunday, 6 p.m. Eastern time, they drop shoes on their website. And you can pretty much try to go get them, because they do sell out sometimes. I've taken L's on some shoes, and yeah, you can take a look at their sneak peek, see what's dropping, so you can kind of get an idea what you want to cop. And yeah, when that Sunday 6 p.m. Eastern time, when that time hits 6, you go try to add it to your cart and try to check out. Yeah, so that's what I did. I took a sneak peek at what was gonna drop, and I saw these for a fucking dog. When I'm telling you the price was like right, it was right. Like, I just had to, you know, I couldn't pass on these because it's probably not going to be another time that I'm not going to get them for this price. So yeah, make sure to check out Soul Steals. I'm telling you guys, they have steals and deals over there, and don't sleep on them, man. And this is where I got these. These are the MCA Off-White Air Force One in the blue colorway. Bro, this shoe in hand looks fucking beautiful. Like I'm about to buy a glass case and just like put them in the background or something. These are DS too, guys. DS, no box, lace back still attached. They come with extra laces, extra blue laces. Obviously it comes with standard white laces already on them, as you guys can see. And if you guys didn't know, this whole shoe is blue. This nice baby bluish, kind of not too babyish, darkish blue. And man, this leather right here is butter. Take a look, guys. This leather right here, butter. Look at that. Ooh-wee. Buttery. Look at that. Ooh, nice and soft. Obviously, everything's blue. Bottoms is blue. It's your standard Air Force One low. With this beautiful buttery leather, white laces, extra blue laces. Your shoelaces, they do say shoelace. You know, the standard off-white laces, blue tongue, and you have this hang tag, which is kind of like, I don't know, what is this? Like a plastic type material. It says off Nike Air right here. Nike Air right there, and then it says off right here. Can you guys see that? Focus, camera, focus. Right there. Boom. And obviously with the off-white, it's kind of chopped off right here, so you can see that foam lining right there. On the back of the shoe, you actually have this stitching going on back here, and it's kind of covered, but the Nike Air is still back there, but it's kind of covered with this line on the back with the stitching. Then like on the inside of the shoe, you have this silver swoosh, and it has your standard off-white trademark for Nike, you know, the Beaverton, Oregon, blah blah blah, standard Nike off-white. And then on the side of the shoe, you have that silver Nike swoosh. Obviously you can see the stitching, and then you have this red flap tag right there. You know, the standard, you know what Virgil always does. This thing's red. Midsole, it says Air, but then you have the quote-unquote Air on there in white. And one thing that I didn't even know, this Nike silver swoosh, it looks like it's foil. You know, it's shiny, but like when you touch it, it feels like it's about to come off. That's one thing I didn't even know about. So I don't know, man. I don't know what's underneath this or what, but that's actually pretty dope. I don't know, I'm gonna look into it. I'm gonna see if what's underneath this silver aluminum foil looking thing. You obviously get your red zip tie, you know, the standard, the signature, the off-white branding. It says off-white code Nike C 2000, what does that say? 2017, the zip tie. Yeah, 2017 zip tie. And yeah, now these are actually a size 8. If you guys don't know, I'm usually like a size 8.5, 9, but they are a pair of whites. I mean, they are a pair of Air Forces. You know, sometimes Air Forces run a little bit big, so I'm hoping these fit. These are crazy. Probably one of my craziest shoe in my collection right now. One of my craziest pickup of this year so far, I believe. Yeah, the off-white MCAs. Happy to have this shoe in my collection. Once again, shout out to Soul Steals. I'm telling you guys, check them out. It's a membership website, definitely worth it. And yeah, like I said, these didn't come with the OG box, but I don't give a fuck about the box. It's all about the shoes. That is gonna be it for this video. Just a quick look of it's probably my craziest pickup this year so far, I believe. I've been picking up a lot of shoes here and there, but I believe this is one of the craziest ones. I know this didn't release this year. This released last year. And man, I'm just blessed, man. I'm happy to have these in the collection. They're gonna stay in the collection. But yeah, guys, if you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new for more videos like this in the future. Everybody stay safe out there. I have another pickup coming, which I'm gonna do an unboxing on that. And then we have the Ben & Jerry's. Hopefully I need the sneaker guys to bless your boy for those Ben & Jerry's. But yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. You know, all my social media is down there and below if you guys want to check me out. And other than that, I am out. Peace.